Hey, what's up guys, it's Nadri back here with another video. So today's video is about the all new sensational phone from Google known as the Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL. So this time there I think new innovations on the Pixel phone and the great new Pixel Neuron technology implemented this time on the new Pixel phones by Google, and latest softwares, hardware specs all are on sheet of paper. So anyways guys, without any further talks, let's go deep into the video and let's see what are the new things, attachment, specification, details, camera samples, not camera, basically camera specs, what they have included in that Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL. So let's get going. Okay, so first of all, we'll be now talking about the display for the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. So Pixel 4 will be coming at around 5.7 inches and the Pixel 4 XL will be having a 6.3 inch display. And for the color, they have got three new colors this time with orange, black, white. Orange is a limited edition, white is available, black is also available for everyone, but orange is a limited edition one and it will be available for a limited time, like for the product red from iPhone or from Apple, from Apple. So yeah, but the thing is that there is some twist in that color. Black, which is black, orange and white, which is actually covered with that aluminum matte grill from the side, which makes it completely seamless, not seamless, basically it makes easier to grip, and it really makes a power pack box of thing which holds the color and pixel body, that premium look and finish to it. Anyways, the thing is that black is not totally matte black, it's a glossy back. I don't know why they have chose that, but other things that orange and white one will be having the glass matte back, like the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Plus Pro XL, iPhone 11 Pro. The camera is now having two lenses this time back, like iPhone bump you can say, but the camera is definitely now improved. There is normal ultra wide lens like the normal Google Pixel 3, and there is now an additional telephoto lens which actually combines data from the telephoto lens, gives a good clarity picture. It also helps in portrait mode, depth sensing, whatever, many things are there. And for the camera part, I'll be having another video. So it's a brief introduction to the Google Pixel 4. Pixel 4 and 4 XL has got no notch. So there are lots of sensors there for face recognition, like they have got depth sensor there, 8 megapixel front camera, radar sensor, radar for motion sensing. Yeah, now they have actually included motion sensing, so now you can unlock your phone much faster and more in a secure way. And if you like if you're having a phone like this, like for example suppose it's a Google Pixel 4, and if you wave your hand like this, it will just turn on, and if you just swipe your hands down, it will just turn off. And when you're near that radar sensor, it actually creates a bubble surface, like a false small dome surface, where the phone recognizes that if someone is near, it will automatically turn on the always on display, shows the time, shows the notification and everything. And if you just go away, move to another direction like this, and it seems that the phone gets turned off, it's always off, always on display. And you can also, there is additional is a live wallpaper where Pokemon wallpaper, where you can interact with them by using this radar sensor. Means wave your hand, the Pokemon will also wave your hand, play with them, they will also play with you. AI tech, radar, much more. Oh yeah, and talking about the more of the camera specs, the camera for the ultra wide, it has got the 1.7 aperture lens, ultra wide. For the telephoto, it has got the 2.4 aperture. Yeah, now you can get 2x lossless zoom. And one more thing is that if you want to zoom more and more, like super zoom like the Renos and all from the Oppo, you can also do that, because Google software is pretty much interesting to do that tech, AI thing, software integration and all. Yeah, and now coming to the specs, I think you'll be shocked that Google now have introduced that 90 Hz OLED panel. Yeah, it's like the OnePlus. So OnePlus also uses the 90 Hz OLED panel, and it's quite beautiful. And this time also it's a super, Google is telling that it's a super fluid display, lots of them, but at the end of the day it's a 90 Hz display, means at a second it will refresh, 90 times, yeah, kind of that. And one more thing is that I really forgot the specs. I have wrote it down here for the specs. Yeah, for specs it has got the 90 Hz OLED refresh rate, supports HDR plus, and due to its having a smart compatible software with the Google, so the phone can slow down its refresh rate depending on your usage. And also, yeah, the color temperature of your phone or the color calibration of your phone can change with the mood of your the color temperature of the room, which room are you in. It will change the wallpaper looks and all. So it's a pretty AI tech thing. Battery 2800 for the small Pixel 4 and 3700 for the big Pixel 4 XL. Yeah, for the spec sheet, has got wireless charging, fast charging, 855 SoC, 6 GB RAM, 855 plus for the 4XL, and 64 120 gig storage, no 256. Titan security chip. Yeah, it's a new security chip from Google, Titan security chip, which will give you enhanced security options. And it has got Pixel neural core. Yeah, Pixel neural core is that particular core which will actually do all that thing, motion sensing stuff, wallpaper interaction, taking data from the telephoto lens, making a good portrait from that, and blah blah blah, all that thing. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. And you can also get the color temperature of the phone, and if you're in a room and all, pretty high tech, pretty neural thing and all. So guys, it's pretty much it for this video. I hope you have liked the video. That was pretty much it for it, and more videos will be coming up on Pixel 4. I think 2 to 3 more videos will be added in this channel for the Pixel 4 about the camera full, and for overall review, whether you should buy, comparison and all. 2 to 3 videos will be up. So guys, nothing from India, just signing out. Till then, keep calm and have a great day. Till then, keep calm. Bye bye.